Hello everybody, welcome back. This episode is about the tail wheel assembly, and there was nothing hard about it. It's one of the more easy parts, actually. The only thing I can think of, well, there's a few actually, but the T-shape that you screw to the rudder, I bent it just a little bit to follow the shape a bit more. And the small piece that sits under the tail wheel mount is located with the wires for the tail, so it was a bit hard to find. The springs seems to be the real weak point in this assembly. And well, I'm gonna keep them for now, but I will probably change them during the season for something stronger. But well, thank you for watching, and next episode will probably be the main gear assembly. I guess that's gonna be a bit harder, but we'll see. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.